Hi, this is Mike Elliott and you're watching CEO Live. Today we're going to be joined by Dr. John Spoonhower. Dr. Spoonhower is the head of platform technology strategy at SensiVida Medical Technologies. SensiVida is a publicly traded company whose common stock trades under the symbol SVMT. They're a minimally invasive diagnostic device company. Their proprietary microsystems-based optical technology automates biosensing and data acquisition while minimizing patient discomfort. Their platform technology can be applied to a number of disease state diagnostics, such as pain-free allergy testing, glucose monitoring, blood coagulation testing, TB testing, as well as cholesterol monitoring. Dr. Spoonhower has co-authored 55 refereed publications. He currently has 56 granted patents and an additional approximately 5 patents pending. He is a member of numerous advisory boards for the National Science Foundation and New York State supported research centers, and a 2-time CTO patent award winner from the Eastman Kodak Company. Good afternoon, John. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Mike. Good afternoon.
The current diagnostic methods for many medical conditions are invasive, traumatic, labor-intensive, and oftentimes inaccurate. How will SensiVida's technology platform help physicians and their patients overcome this problem?
So I like to say to people there are 2 aspects of the technology that SensiVida has that works to better engage patients and to provide better results. So the 2 elements of the technology platform are its patented microneedle technology, and additionally the optical design and optical readout with automatic algorithmic processing that enables higher quality diagnostic. Painless testing for people is a very large value. It's important to reduce barriers that people have about having specific diagnostic tests performed. And the microneedle technology that SensiVida has developed is well suited to that purpose. The microneedles are very small, much smaller than a human hair, and are placed into the skin in such a manner where they do not even impact a nerve layer which is below the outer skin surface. So there's every effort both in the design and in the implementation of the product to minimize pain to the patient. The other aspect of our technology that's important to understand is the use of optical diagnostics. We have a lot of expertise in-house in developing optical-based measurement methods. And through those methods, which are very non-invasive, we perform measurements with greater reliability, greater accuracy, and they're done in a non-invasive way. Coupled with that optical approach is the use of algorithms to process images that are obtained from the optical readout.
And you just announced your first clinical results using your minimally invasive allergy test. Could you tell us a little more about the allergy test product specifically and the significance of those results?
Yeah, I'd be glad to. That's a good example of the two factors that I just mentioned. When we just did a small clinical trial with a select group of patients, the test data came back and were very encouraging. The microneedle approach minimizes the pain and skin irritation to the patient. In addition, it accelerates the rates at which the chemical reaction of the skin to the various allergens occurs. So the test is both non-invasive, non-painful, and occurs in an accelerated time frame. The time difference is something like 8 to 10 minutes for a typical test based on the microneedle technology versus some hours for the test to develop fully in the case of the conventional skin prick test. And then in addition, the use of the optical approach with automation to support the optical readout results in test variance being significantly reduced. So the results are actually significantly more accurate than those obtained by the conventional method. And it's our intent to exploit both of those advantages, the painless microneedle approach coupled with the optical readout, into a number of other testing, I'll say medical testing scenarios. As you mentioned earlier, they include the potential for glucose testing in a painless manner, and additionally other sort of skin-based medical diagnostic tests.
So just so to summarize, the significance of the technology platform is that it creates a test which is at the same time less painful, more accurate, and in terms of cost, how does it compare to current testing?
So we expect the tests to be performed at less cost than conventional methods. Part of that is a consequence of the fact that we can significantly automate the test process. The overall, by virtue of the fact that we find that there's a benefit to both the patient and to the physician through the use of this particular technical approach.
And it clearly sounds like there's a tremendous market opportunity. I don't know the exact numbers. I know just the allergy testing market alone in the United States is approximately 1.6 billion. The allergies are growing at 7% a year. And you're offering a platform with multiple potential applications, the first of which you're going after commercially is allergy testing, and providing a system that is going to be a lower cost to physicians and patients, less painful, less invasive, and ultimately will provide more accurate results. So it sounds like an exciting technology platform as well as a very beneficial product.
Yeah, we're very excited about it. We think that it has the potential to kind of change the game in a number of these medical diagnostic scenarios. We're hoping that the combination of improved accuracy and reduced pain will result in significant numbers of people being tested that currently aren't tested today. So it's not just a substitution of a lower cost, improved performance device for the current paradigm. We think we can actually increase the number of such tests that are performed.
Thank you, John. That concludes my questions. Were there any comments you wanted to add before we close?
No, thanks, Mike, and it's been a pleasure.
Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you again soon. We've been talking to Dr. John Spoonhower. He's the head of Platform Technology Strategy for SensiVida Medical Technologies. To find out more about SensiVida, you can visit their website at www.sensividamedtech.com, or you can visit their investor relations newsroom at www.netgenpr.com/SensiVida-medical. Thank you.